Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Zamora and welcome to my crib. Welcome everyone. So I am currently sick, recovering, so I'm drinking like fake Pedialyte. I'm currently in the process of moving, but I thought I would give y'all a tour of my apartment before I move because by the time this video goes up, I actually won't be living here and I won't feel as crazy because I know that there's people on the internet that always find out my number, find out where I live, find out my address, send me stuff, and that always creeps me out. I've lived here now for a year and I feel like it's time for me to like go away from here. But we have a closet here and it's just like cleaning stuff, a little bit of storage. We have one fake leaf. I always take a lot of like pictures and photos here. I've had this one from IKEA. It's vintage. It's not vintage. I've had it for like a long time, but they still sell it, but whatever, it's cute, right? So you come in and this is my apartment. Behind you is my beauty room, but let's come back here, let's come back. If you wanna watch my beauty room tour, you can check down the link in the description down below. This is my little kitchen area. Do I cook a lot? No, but I don't have to. I mean, I try to cook. I don't always cook, but it's cute, it's fun. There's a lot of things that I've bought in on Amazon, like, damn, everything is from Amazon. Then we have this table that I got custom imported from Italy. This is my favorite candle that I buy from Amazon. I think it's like $12. It's the balsam and cedar. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, now this is probably my favorite part of my apartment. If you haven't seen this video that my friend Drew Scott helped me basically decorate, I'll link it down in the description down below. He's an amazing like interior designer, stylist. He has an amazing eye, especially for DIY crafts. If you guys are into that, I'll link it down below. Where a lot of people still ask me, this is wallpaper, but it's actually paint. And then we have just my shelves. I always kind of like switch them up around because why not, you know? These are like my bags whenever I'm like running somewhere. Like these are like always my go-to bags. Little YSL moment, Alexander Wang, more photos of me because narcissism is key when you're in social media apparently. This is what I smell like. If you want to look up the price, you go ahead, girl. To me, fragrance looks like art, so it's just fun. It's on a Vogue book. I have glasses here. Sometimes I don't know why I just love having glasses around, just because you never know when you're just gonna need a glass from time to time. This one actually has real plants on it, so this one is real. This is actually from a Vogue magazine. I just really liked this photo and I like that it was green. This little plant here, she's actually really thriving, and what I like about her, she's like the mother, and this is like her little baby because she came from her, which has been really cute. And then these little nuggets, just like a whole little family. And then this is probably my favorite part of my entire apartment. I did a sponsorship with Gucci Beauty, thanks to y'all, because a lot of my sponsorships are because of y'all. And they sent me this box full of the lipsticks. But the cool thing that I was able to do is I was able to take out the stuff and hi everyone. All my hi everyone stuff is all up in here for whenever friends come over, if they want any candy, if they want any flour, if they want anything. My friends are always good, you know? And it's like cute little decor, it hides it, but when they're like, oh, it's in there, and I'm like, weed. Now, welcome to the living room. I like to lay down a lot, and this is from like Living Spaces. The only thing is, don't put these in the washer, because I did, and then I dried it, and then it shrank, and then it easily ripped. So, since I don't know how to sew, I just don't sit on there that often. I just don't want to buy a new couch yet, don't judge me. We have plants like this little area right here, aesthetically pleasing. And then here, this is actually, shout out to my assistant. This is how we basically set up our PR. So whenever PR comes in, so today actually is the day that Amrezi's collab was launched and announced. And I also received it in the mail. So shout out to Amrezi because she's truly one of the best bitches I know. Really excited because I never got the chance to get her first palette that she had collabed with Anastasia so long ago. Covered in glitter, like, and it doesn't even, wow, it doesn't even transfer to the hand. This is high quality, okay. And like, look, beautiful palette. We have a little coffee table here. We have a great view. Like one of the benefits of living in this unit, which is the only reason why I didn't want to move from here, was because of this view. That's the only reason why I like this unit. This view is amazing. This view is art. I would just stare out the window and I'm like, wow. But I'm like, I could just look at art, it's fine. So, because this area, you guys, I'm sorry, it's too congested. There's a lot of homeless people out. Like, it's just a little much, not gonna lie. We have my TV. We have my TV console. We have a real plant, another real plant. We have a little, oh, look, this is my portable weed box. So more Hi Everyone, because why not, right? But this is like the one I can actually like take outside or take on the couch and like have with me. And then here has been the corner of, there's something always going on here, basically. So we have a rack of clothes that I'm just doing stuff with. We have fake plants. We have makeup for makeup giveaways. This is where we pack up all the giveaways for whenever y'all comment on posts or on YouTube videos and y'all leave those emojis. We pack them up here and then we just like basically ship them out and do all those fun little things. One of my favorite parts I'm gonna show you is my balcony. The view is amazing. Right now it's kind of bright because the sun is facing this way. But here, you can see, it's actually pretty like bomb. Like I live, like it's amazing. Yum, it's really fun. And then we have like little sitting areas, like so I'll just like sit here and just be like, you know. I'll miss this view because the sunsets here are like spectacular. Like I'll show you all the sunset. Fun little balcony moment. Come on in, everyone. Is nice, but I don't live for is that a lot of the space is in the living room, which is great if you're a hosting type of person. You like to have people over, have friends over. For me, I like a lot of my space where I work, so I needed more of the space in like the office space or the beauty room, my bedroom, all those things. So like having a lot of space here, I'm like, yay, but I can't film in here because there's always sunlight or things like that. So I'm like, you know what, this apartment's gonna go to someone who actually like is gonna have a lot more fun here than I am because I work from home and I can't work here all the time. Let me show you where the magic happens. Come on, everyone. Oh, here's my guest bathroom. If you guys need to take a you can come in here. I always have skincare out. I always have skincare for my guests because I believe that my guests deserve the best. And if you guys want to, like, you know, if you want refreshing skincare, I just get a lot of sent to me, so, you know, just give it out to people. This is the bathtub that I've only taken one bath in since I lived here. It's great. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I painted this one. One of my best friends, Makeup by Ariel, he painted this one. We just got Hi Everyone and we painted one day and we made these and I like love them. So I'm gonna take them to my new place. Here's a little waiting area, a little couch moment with a little fake plant, little fragrances. Here's an award I got from the AIA Awards. This is for Emerging Makeup Artist of the Year. Gabriel Zamora. Like, look how pretty that is. Ooh. Oh. Wait, that's so cool. I've never done that before. So welcome to my bedroom. So here's my bedroom. This is a king size bed. I just love seeing green things, especially like in my apartment. So I have like this giant fake plant here. I have, well, I'm currently sick, so I have Pedialyte, water, Gatorade next to my bed. So it's like a taser, a flashlight, and a baton. So I can do all those things with it. I have my charger, I have sleeping mask, lip cream, hand cream, flashlights, indica. I have a Louis Vuitton condom holder because bougie, you know, why not? Then we have my infamous rolling television. This is probably the best thing I've ever just highly thought of. And when I say highly thought of, it's highly thought of. I was really high, everyone, and I was like, wow, I wish I had one of those rolling things like they did in school and I can just take my TV wherever I go. Because, as y'all can see, my view's pretty amazing in my bedroom as well. So I don't always like to block it out. Like, I like to be able to see it sometimes, especially during the day. So I'll flip my like TV, and then like even if I lay here, I can like, you know, still like be here. You can still see a whole lot of natural lighting coming in. But if it's nighttime and I want to see TV, I can literally just flip my TV, have it at the edge of my bed as I sleep there. This is, to me, my Carrie Bradshaw moment. So if you're a Sex and the City fan like I am, Carrie's bedroom connects to her bathroom with a closet, and I always like fantasized about it. So when I saw this place, I was like, oh, Carrie fucking Bradshaw, right? So this is my little Carrie Bradshaw moment because my closet connects to my bathroom, and then I have this double-sided like, here I have shoes, I have pants here. Look to the other side, I have more shoes, more shirts, more shoes, more clothes, glasses. Oh, and then my jewelry. I like to have my jewelry hanging out because if you're walking out, you can see it, but if you're walking in this way and you're looking in, you can't see it, so it looks clean. But when you're like walking up this way and you're getting ready, you're like, oh, I can see it, and grab it. I don't know why I like that. It's like a visual thing for me. And then this is my personal bathroom, which I never even really show people because it's really like, it just helps me function and get ready for the day. So we have my toilet. I bought this thing on like Amazon. I have all my loving tans. I have nothing but like, I love these dental flosses, like the little single ones. I don't know why I'm obsessed with those. We have towels. I ran out of towels, but we have towels. Lots of body creams because I'm obsessed with body lotion. Like honestly, obsessed with body lotion. We have a little suitcase that doesn't fit anywhere, but it's great for when like I'm on the toilet and I want to watch my phone. I'll just like put it like that. And it's like a little stand, and I'll just like sit on my toilet and be like, yeah. We have a shower. Hi everyone. I have nothing but shower stuff in there, which I don't know. If y'all ever want to see a how I shower video, I guess let me know. Then we have skincare, vitamin and body lotions. We have this fridge. You guys, this shit fucking sucks. They're like broke, so whatever. Oh, these Madonna rollers, like I'm just letting you know, like these are everything, like beyond everything. They're like probably the reason why my like jaw's so defined and everything. These are amazing. Y'all definitely need them. Skincare, hair care. I'm not gonna open this one because that's like adult stuff in there. I really appreciate you guys coming over to my apartment on the last day that I lived here. I'm really gonna miss it. It's very much a moment. Like I feel like I've never toured any of my other apartments because I don't know, I never wanted to, but this one I was like, I have to like give it at least like one last hurrah for you guys. Cause I feel like a lot of y'all would always ask me to do an apartment tour. This is my first apartment tour ever. So that was really fun. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave any comments, questions, concerns down in the comment section down below. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You don't have to go home, but you gotta get out of my place. And until next time, bye everyone.